Here's an unboxing, unpackaging of this Goodpick Laundry Hamper. It comes very nicely packaged, nice and slim, wrapped up in this plastic so there's not any damage to it. And then it also has this little ribbon on it as well, and a little instruction guide. Gonna bypass that here and just pop this thing open, and we've got all your different accessories for it. So these are your wheels that you can attach to the bottom so it rolls, and then these right here are your stakes so it stays standing to give it support on all four corners. And then also, let's just open these up, why not? We're doing an unpackaging. And then here's the mesh that goes inside of it, which is removable. And like I already said, here are the stakes. That drop down into the four corners to give it nice support. Excited to get this set up, should be a good hamper.